This is not just a motorcycle. This is precision, power, and passion built inside the Kawasaki factory. In this vast facility, the journey of every Kawasaki motorcycle begins. We start with the heart of the bike.
Precision is key at this stage. Our technicians use advanced measuring tools like these digital calipers.
The heart of every Kawasaki engine begins here. Our skilled technicians meticulously install the crankshaft, followed.
Here we see the precise installation of the pistons into the cylinder block. Once seated, the bolts are secured using a pneumatic torque.
With the cylinder head in place, the specialized torque wrench is used to tighten the bolts to the precise factory specification.
Welcome to the Kawasaki Motorcycle Factory. Today, we will take you step by step through the incredible process of building a motorcycle.
With the engine complete, we move to phase 2, assembling the motorcycle frame, suspension, and wheels.
Next, the frame is carefully positioned onto the lift. The assembly team then uses heavy-duty clamps and specialized tools.
With the frame ready, the powerful engine is guided into place by the assembly team. A torque wrench ensures every bolt is secured to factory specifications. Once the frame is ready, the front suspension forks are carefully guided into the steering head. Precision is key here, as specialized.
The rear suspension is now carefully guided into the vibrant green frame. A specialized electric torque wrench ensures that.
In phase 2, the wheels are meticulously prepared. This rig ensures perfect alignment and balance before a technician confirms the tire pressure is exact.
The assembly moves swiftly to the wheel mounting stage. The front and rear wheels are carefully fitted to the frame.
With the frame, suspension, and wheels now assembled, the team performs meticulous safety checks, using a digital torque. As the chassis arrives at the Phase 3 station, the body assembly begins. Our technicians meticulously guide.
The fuel tank and side panels are carefully aligned by the assembly team. Using precision torque wrenches, every bolt is.
The intricate electrical wiring harness is installed next. Our technicians carefully connect the headlights and the digital vision.
As the frame enters the booth, synchronized robotic arms apply the signature lime green paint. This pressurized mist.
Following the extensive painting process, each panel is dried and polished. Quality control experts use precise tools to vibrate.
As the motorcycle moves into final assembly, the exhaust and controls are fitted. Precision tools ensure the Phase 3 concludes with exhaustive testing. Technicians verify everything from precise torque values to the responsiveness of the electrical systems.
The final road simulation test begins. On the rolling machine, the speedometer, headlights, and indicators.
With the build complete, the engine is brought to life. The technician closely monitors the engine's vibration and.
The completed motorcycle rolls off the line, ready for final inspection and comprehensive quality assurance checks.
And there it is, the culmination of countless hours. Smooth, powerful, and ready for the road.
From the very first spark, we build more than just a motorcycle. We build a legacy.
On this channel, you'll find every video documentary style and educational. Comment below which topic you'd like us to cover next.